The crimson ember of the sun sinks slowly into purple seas, its rays suffused between the shrouds of gold and bitter orange clouds. The outlined silhouetted trees and Venus on the edge of night beguiling all with silver light. The mountain peaks, bedecked in snow, their fir trees droop with loaded bough. The frozen brook, all cloaked in mist, awaits the springtime's gentle kiss. A snow fox passes softly now, yet buried deep and slumbering, the seeds and bulbs of nascent spring. Beneath the rainforest canopy, bejeweled with the fallen drops, the orchids riot in their hues of yellow, orange, reds, and blues. The mating chorus never stops, a panoply in shades of green, a thousand creatures heard unseen. As children, we all understood that nature should be held in awe. We lay and stared at clouds and skies. We celebrated butterflies before transgressing nature's law. Transgressions end. That day has come. The fates of earth and man are one.